Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, children. Take your Global Learners book, page 82. Today we are going to start the second subheading, Recycled Art. Talk. Make a list of materials we can recycle and compare them with your partner. How do we recycle them? Recycle means to reuse something to make something look better than before. Which of these things do you do? Put bottles in recycling bins, put paper in recycling bins, put cans and tins in recycling bins, put plastic containers in recycling bins, reuse plastic bags, reuse materials to make things. Which one will you do of these? Tick your answer. The next one is read. Read about Lal's sculptures. What recycled material can you see? Here they have given you a picture, right? Here a person called Lal has collected all the wastage, right, to make something better. Recycled art. Lal Hitchcock makes her sculptures from unwanted objects or rubbish. Many of the objects have been washed up on beaches or found by divers in the sea. These are the materials in her workshop. She has taken all the rubbish and she has made something better. Now turn the next page, 83. Read, draw the sculptures and label the recycled items. Here he has made a recycled item here, right? He has recycled using broomsticks, plastic items, and he has made a face. Number 1, wood, brush, combs and handle. So just write the names next to the objects. This sculpture is made of wood. His hair is made from an old brush and his eyes are made of stone and black bottle tops. His mouth is made from 2 red combs and his nose is made from the handle of the brush. It's very long. Here they have described what he has done here. This sculpture is made of wood. It's made of wood, right? His hair is made from an old brush. We use made of to say if the sculpture is made from that particular material. We use made from to say that the thing is made from another material. Right, here they have used bottle tops for the eyes, right? The next one is, this sculpture has got spiky hair made from blue tubes. Here he has made the hairs with the blue tubes. His head is made from half a plastic wheel and his eyes are made of blue plastic. Here they have created a face. His ears are made from metal door handles and his earrings are made from metal springs. With metal door handles he has made the earring and the earrings are with metal springs. He has also got a red mouth made of wood. The mouth is made out of wood. Now you create your own sculpture and send me. Design a sculpture made from recycled objects. Think of the different materials it could be made from. Draw your design. Label the recycled objects in your drawing. Make your sculpture. If you don't have time in class, you could do it at home. So I'm giving you this as homework.